Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be having a lot of fun. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Dee Dee and I love to give unsolicited advice about hair, fashion, beauty, makeup, and stuff. And today we are opening up my ta-da! JB Stylebox. Before we even start opening this box, I have to tell you a fun little story. After my last video, I was a little just kind of like disappointed that I didn't get a kimono because I had been searching. After my last JB Stylebox, I was a little disappointed because I didn't get a kimono. And Ryan, my stylist, emailed me and she found a bunch of kimonos and asked which one I would like. And so I got to pick one and she sent it to me. And it's this one. And it's called the Bohemian Burnout Kimono. It was $46. What a great price. That service right there goes above and beyond any styling service I've had. I mean, she didn't even have like a box to send me. She just out of her way went to find me a kimono and delivered. How awesome. That made me very happy. So I'm gonna open this thing. It's a huge box this time. Oh, so pretty inside. So this is some verbiage, which we're not gonna look at just yet. And I'm grabbing my first bundle, which has those pretty colors that I absolutely love. So the first thing is this little bralette. And you can never have enough of these. I'm just saying. It looks like another one I have, so I'm gonna have to make sure it's not like the exact same one. But this is the NIBIKI detailed bra. I like it. I like the color. I like the style. All right, the next thing is this Supply Camo top t-shirt. It feels really soft and very summery. It gets kind of hot down where we live. So this is really nice. It's like easy. All right, the next thing, this looks like a t-shirt dress. And it has pockets. It looks like some nice little summery doodad. You can go about town, walk around. It's cute. All right. And then the last thing here is a striped button-down shirt. Now, I'm not a fan of stripes, but this is cute. I'll try it on. I like the colors. It's soft. It's very see-through, so I'm sure it's not gonna be too hot. All right, so those are 4 items. The next bundle is very colorful. Okay, I swear to God, I had a dress like this in the 80s. Yes, I am that old. Not sure if it's something I'd like, but I'll try it on. The next thing is a chaser. Oh, it's like a little kind of drawstring dress. Very beachy. Have you noticed there's a beach theme going on? I'm all about beach themes this time of year. It's really soft. Here we have, ooh, this is cool. This is from Free People, and I don't want to look at the price. You know what's funny? I saw something like this from Free People recently online, and I was like, I don't know if it's the same thing, but I was like, oh, that's really cute. Coincidence? I think not. So cute. So the great thing with JB Stylebox is they have actual pictures of the outfits that they suggest you wear them with. Jean shorts with some of these tops. And oh, you know what I love? She wrote in purple. Hi Dee Dee, happy box number 3. Your favorite color palette is a palette? Shoot. Hi Dee Dee, happy box number 3. Your favorite color palette of pinks and purples screams summer, so I was so excited to style you for the season. I tried to include a range of summer wear from beach day cover-ups to night on the town to a little bit of both. I hope you have so much fun trying, and per usual, let me know if I can do anything else for you. Your stylist, Ryan. Moving on up there. Oh, don't want to look at the prices. All right, so I'm gonna go try everything on. I'll be right back. All right, we're back with the try-on, and for those of you who are new, I like to guess what the price is on an item, and then I find out at the same time you do what the actual price is. So let's get started. This is the Supply Camo top, and it is really soft and very like lightweight. So I would say like this is a good shirt to wear on the hottest day of the year. If you're out somewhere, at least it's covering up your shoulders so you don't get like burned, you know, because sometimes you're at a festival or walking around somewhere and it's just like the sun is beaming down on you and you know you're gonna get burnt if you're like exposing too much shoulder or something. It's also good if you're already sunburned and you don't want to get more sunburn. It doesn't feel like it would be heavy against the skin. I think this top would be about $38. That would be my guess. And the real price, oh my God, is $38. How funny is that? Man, I'm getting good at these things. The next thing I'm wearing is the NIBIKI bralette underneath. And I have one like this in the coral color. And I have a lavender bralette, but it doesn't have like this design on it. So this is a little different, but I love this color. This color is just beautiful. I would say the price on this is 20 bucks, only because I already have one. And the real price is 32, huh? Okay. I do get $20 off styling fee, so maybe that was a factor in what I paid for last time. I know it sounds like it's high, but it is a Z Supply, so their prices are gonna be a little bit higher. And it's actually pretty well made for being such a fine fabric. You're not getting like weird stitching or anything, and it's extremely soft. So I think that's where the extra, let's say extra $10 comes from, because it is very soft. So I'm not exactly sure if I'm gonna keep this top. I have to see. I think I'm gonna keep this though. All right guys, this is the next outfit. This is the ELISA Blouse, and it's lavender and white striped. It's extremely soft, and I tied it up like this just to be kind of fancy. I am not a button-down blouse type of person, at least not in this lifetime. Maybe when I change my look, I might, because you never know. Sometimes you want to change something out, but I do think it's very cute. They did tell me to style it with the camo top underneath, so I'll just loosen this up to show you what it looks like without being tied up. And it does have tab sleeves, so you can undo and wear it down like that. Yeah, and I guess the thought is to wear it unbuttoned with a top, because you know, nights get kind of cool on the beach, so you want to be a little cozy. So if I were to buy this shirt, I would probably pay around $50 for it. That would be my guess. And the real price is $75. I think that's a little high, but I'm not familiar with the brand ELISA, so maybe it's a high-end brand. It could be 100% cotton. Let's check. It's rayon, which is fine. Rayon can keep you cool, but I'm usually, in my experience, 100% cotton would be more expensive. But it's cute. I like it. I think it's very cute. It's just not my taste. Be right back. The next one on the list is this Free People Saturn poncho, and I just love it. This is quintessential DD. I don't even care how much it costs. I would pay like $500 for it. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, this is great. This is totally me. Like this is like, if I only get one thing out of the box, it will be this. If I were to go and buy this item, I would expect to pay about $70. And the real price is, drum roll, $168. Whoa. Okay. Huh. That is a lot. All right. I'm gonna have to rethink my decision here. I mean, I love it. Look at this. This is the first dress. I like it, but I think I want that sweater. So I'm willing to sacrifice everything to get that sweater, because now I'm rethinking the bra, because that sweater is just still on my mind and I'm in love with it. And so if I were to buy this dress, I would pay $38 for it, because that's how much I think this is worth. So the real price on it is $28. Well, okay, that's a good deal. That makes up for the $168 sweater. Thinking. Because I like this dress. I decided that I'm not gonna get this dress. And the reason being is because this is a little too severe for me. Like, I like kind of like a boxy look, but it doesn't complement my body. So I think that if it didn't have like all this extra fabric here and it was like a little gentler around my arms, I think I would have preferred it on my frame. I just feel like this is like a little too much for me. But it is a cute dress. I think it's adorable and I can't believe it's only $28. That's a steal. Pay no attention to the self-tanner mishap. This is dress number 2 and it is the Chaser Shirttail dress. Honestly, it feels like butter. It is so extremely soft. And I can just do this all day long. Here's a little 360 view. I would say that this is something you can use as a cover up. It is a little short here. Good beach dress, good like, even if you're like walking around a beach town or walking around your neighborhood, walking your dog, walking anywhere. It's breezy, you know, easy breezy, super cute, love the colors. I would probably, it's Chaser, so it's a really good brand. I think the price is $80, but I would pay $68 for it. So the real price is $88. See, I knew it. Do I think it's worth $88? I think this is very nice, but I don't think $88 is nice. Like, I would say about $68. I think that would be, I know it's not a big, huge price difference, but we're all trying to be budget conscious, right? In my eyes. Can you say 1980s? And yes, this is kind of like the stuff I used to wear in the 1980s, except I would have like a little bolero jacket with it and like a crazy, crazy belt, and it would probably be black. So, I mean, it is neon, very neon. And yes, I would probably worn this at the beach with neon anklets and neon bracelets and neon gloves, fingerless gloves, but I've passed that stage of my life. But it is cute. I personally wouldn't wear this. I think this is a little bit like somebody in like their late teens would probably enjoy wearing this, because that's when I wore stuff like this. And the problem with these dresses is you have to suck it in the whole time, and it would be really tough to like suck it in all day. I would have to like not eat for like the entire party. It would be rough. This is RD style, so I would say I think this dress in the 1980s it probably would have cost 30 bucks. I would say now it would probably cost about 60 bucks, but the real price is 49, which is really not that bad. Again, it's not my style. I don't think that I would be comfortable wearing this. I mean, I'm comfortable wearing like a tight dress, but for some reason this is just like, I don't know, just not my thing right now. This was the final item in the try-on. I will be back with final thoughts. This was a different video because my mind went from I'm gonna buy everything to I'm gonna buy nothing to oh my god, there's so many things I want, and oh my god, there's so many things I don't want, that I changed my mind so much from the time I started trying on to the time I finished. So I'm gonna go through the price list, I'm gonna go through my least favorite to my favorite thing, and I will let you know what I end up keeping. This is the Waffle dress. This was the 80s, you know, party girl dress. I like it, but it's not for me. So I'm going to have to say goodbye. This one was $49. Next thing, this is the ELISA Blouse. Oh, the brand is Velvet Heart, which I've never heard of. And the blouse was $75. Like I said, it's very nice. Would I pay $75 for it if it was 100% cotton, and if this was something that I was looking for? Because I'm not a button-down kind of girl. I don't think I have, I mean, I have stuff that's buttoned down, but it's silk, and it's got like some kind of boho stuff on it, like pleats, and so it's a little different. The next thing is this t-shirt dress. I love the color. I think it's really cute. I just think that the sleeves were just a bit too severe for my frame. Like, I know people who look really good in boxy clothing. Itsy Bits, I'm talking to you, but I just don't, it doesn't balance me out properly in a way that other people look good in it. I feel like I look like a triangle. She's gonna have to go back. And that t-shirt dress was $28, which was a very good price, I have to say. This is the Chaser Fronds Shirttail dress. I thought this was adorable. It's really, really soft. It's like, it feels really, really good, but I don't think it's worth $88. It's just, in my book, it's just a little steep. It's lovely, it really is. But I just don't feel like I want to get it. All right, so we are down to the nitty gritty. So if you send everything back, you have to pay for shipping, which could run maybe another $20. So it is kind of worth it to buy at least 3 items, because if you buy 3 items, you don't have to pay for shipping. Also, I have a $20 styling fee, which is credited towards any item over $50. So an item that I have over $50 is this amazing sweater. So I would have to say, I'm gonna stick with this, the NIBIKI bralette top thing. It is $32. Oh yay, it's got like a little bit of like a tie-dye accent on the edging here. Well, that's kind of cute. I didn't know that. So all the like pink stitching is kind of like a tie-dye look. That's pretty cool. So this is $32. This is the camo, Supply Camo. I know you guys are surprised that I like this shirt, but I really, really like it. I like that it's really thin, and I like that it has sleeves, so it's a good alternative to all of the tank tops I'm always wearing. I like the way it looked on me. Yeah, I thought it was super cute. But this is the ultimate. I'm in love with this sweater. When I put it on, I felt like a princess, and I know I'm gonna have it forever. Forever and ever and ever. And I did get a little sticker shock because it's $168, but I'm thinking the $20 styling fee will be applied to that, and I don't have to spend an extra $20 on shipping, right? So that said, the total is going to be $238 minus a $20 styling fee, so it comes up to $218. I love this top. I am going to wear it whenever the weather permits. Yeah. All right, that's all she wrote. I thought the box was good. I mean, I thought the box was good. Like, I asked for beach stuff, I got beach stuff. I think some of the items just didn't look good on me, and then like I wasn't into the way the boxy shirt dress looked. I wasn't into like the way the sleeves looked. I thought it was cute though. I think that if somebody can pull that off, it's really, really cute. I just thought some of the things were a little pricey for what they were. Like some things just, like I said, like I'll buy this because I know I absolutely love it. I'm gonna have it for forever, probably, until one of my kids steals it. Let me know in the comments below if you were surprised about any of the prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video comes up. Thank you for stopping by. Bye.